Canva makes it simple to upload your own images, videos, and audio to use in your designs. To get started, open a design in the design space. On the left-hand toolbar, locate and click the Uploads icon. This opens the Uploads panel, where you'll see a purple Upload Files button. The purple Upload button also has these 3 dots, which provides additional options for uploading from external sources like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Google Photos. Depending on the type of media you want to upload, select Images, Videos, or Audio. When you click the purple Upload Files button, a new browser window will open, allowing you to navigate to the file on your computer. Once you've found your item, click Open to start the upload process. You'll immediately see your file appear at the top of the Uploads panel with the blue gradient bar and blue ball indicating the progress. The bar disappears once the upload is complete. Once your media is uploaded, you can simply click and drag it into your design. Additionally, each uploaded file has a menu of options accessed by clicking the 3 dots. From this menu, you can add tags, send the file to a folder, download it, select multiple items, or move it to the trash. Beneath the Uploads button, you'll find a Record Yourself button. Clicking this opens a prompt asking for permission to use your camera. You can choose to allow access just this time, always allow, or deny access. Once you grant permission, Canva opens a new page where you can record yourself or your screen. When you're done recording, use the top right toolbar to save and exit, or use the top left option to exit the recording studio without saving. With these features, Canva makes it easy to integrate your own media into your designs while offering flexibility and control over how you use it. I hope this short video gave you a better insight on how to upload your files to Canva. If you found this useful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.